Welcome students. In this video, we will understand the practical 1B. The question is create an application to demonstrate the string operations. What is the string? The string is a collection of characters. And C# provides various static methods as well as non-static methods of string class. Static methods, it means they are used with the help of the name of the class. And non-static method, they are accessed using an object of a class. So let us try to work out with the string methods. Many methods are there. I am taking few of them in this video. If suppose you are trying a particular method which is not in the video, and if you find it confusing, please ask in the comment. I will definitely reply to you about that particular method. So let's start. This is our earlier project only. So here I had given the right click, selected the option over here as add, selecting the option as class, and here I am providing the name of the class as practical1b.cs. I don't want to use the namespaces, so I remove these namespaces. I'm just using the system namespace. In this class, I'm creating my main method by providing public, static. You can make it public or don't make it public, one and the same. So I provided static, void, main, in the bracket, string, args. This is the body of my main method. Here I'm interested in creating the string class object. How to create a string, everybody knows. We can provide by saying string, name of the class, s1, name of the object, equal to new string. Now, some of the time you find it that the string s is been lowercase. Don't worry about it. One and the same as such. There is no difference. S small is a allies of the capital S in that. So string can be written in S is capital, S can be what we can say in a small. So string in the bracket, I provide my name. Further, I provided string s2 equal to my surname. You can initialize like this also. Then I would like to concat these two strings. First operation I am interested in doing it, concatenating the string. How can I do it? It's saying string s3 equal to string dot concats. In the bracket, see there are 13 overload options are there. You can provide parameters of the object, a number of parameters you can pass by you. So I'm providing s1 comma s2. It means s1 and s2 are getting concatenated and the value has been passed towards what is s3. I want a space in between the name also, so I may provide like this also. So s1, then concatenate with the blank space, then concatenate with the s2. Here I am planning to display the value by saying console.writeLine s3. You know that the output of s3 will be s1 plus s2 along with the blank space. So I by space more. Then further I would like to convert this s3 into capital letters. So I can do it by using string s4 equal to s3 dot to upper. To upper will be converting the s3 value into capital letters and capital letter value is assigned to s4. Remember that there are two types of string. One is mutable string and second is immutable string. A mutable means which is non-modifiable and immutable means which is modified. So here I am planning to go for displaying the value of S4 also. So I am writing it like console.writeLine S4. Further I would like to convert it in lower case. It's quite easy. I can mention like string S5 equal to S3 dot to lower. A 2 lower will be converting. Now you can see very well that S3 dot to upper, S3 dot to lower. That means 2 upper, 2 lower. They both are the non-static method. Whereas concat is what a static method because it is called by the name of the class, but whereas these are called by an object of the class. Further, I am displaying console.writeLine, the value of S5. So I had seen the operation called as concatenation. Second operation I had shown you as uppercase. Third operation I had shown you as the lowercase. Let's see some at least say 8 to 9 operation. Now here I am interested in working with the operations called as index of. So I am providing over here console.writeLine. I am saying position of character H in S3. Then providing S3 dot index of. Index of will be returning the first occurrence of the character H. So I am providing index of. You can see there are 10 overload which have been available over here. We can provide the character value, we can provide the string value, we can provide the character value along with the starting position. Let's see at least 2-3 operations. So I'm providing the character H. So first occurrence of H, the first occurrence of H will be 0, 1, 2. So output over here will be 2. Again I am writing console.writeLine. I am saying position of character A. So position of character A after 1 is, and then providing as 3 dot index of, it is case sensitive, character A is been provided by me over here, comma, I am providing the position number 1. So if I am not providing the position, what will happen? It will be giving the position as 0. But when I am providing the position as 1, that means from the position 1 onwards, where is the first occurrence of the character A will be there. So fine, the index of is seen by you. Vice versa will be a last index of, so index of searches from starting, last index of searches from ending. So you can just try out with the operations like a last index of also. String manipulation is quite an important thing in any kind of programming, because ultimately all the data has been accepted in a string. You require to manipulate the text in a, and data oriented programs are there, so it is better to always learn the string operations properly. Now here I am writing console.writeLine. Last index of, I had told you, it is perfectly vice versa of the index of. Now I would like to work with another operations over here. So I'm writing s1 dot equals in the bracket s2. Equals will be returning either true or false. If the s1 and s2 both are equal, then it will return what? A true. Otherwise, it returns what? The false. Now, in this particular scenario, s1 is Abhay and s2 is More. So both are not equal. So what will happen? It will be displaying over here as false. Now here it comes as console.writeLine. I may provide s1 dot equals, and I am providing the same value as Abhay. Now you know that over here the output will be true, because S1 is Abhay only and Abhay is compared with Abhay. So it will be returning what? True. Here the another method is compare to. So let us try. So I'm writing console.writeLine S1 dot compare to, in the bracket I am providing the same value of S1, that is Abhay. A compare to returns either negative value or a positive value or 0. 0 means both the strings are equal. Let's see. I'm writing over here console.writeLine s1 dot compare to, and here I'm providing the value as More. So s1 is compared with the More, or I can compare with s2. S2 is containing the same value. So when I'm using a compare to, s1 and s2 both are compared. Let us try to run the program first, see the output of it. So if I run the program, you know that as such my solution containing two programs. Program.cs, that is the earlier practical, and program 1b, and I want program 1b should be executed. So I right click on the project. Here I select the option of properties. Inside of properties, I will be selecting startup object, and here I am selecting the practical 1b is my startup object. Now I try to run the program. Let's see the output of the program. So here the S3 output will be shown as Abhay space More. Then further the S4 will be in capital letters. So the output Abhay More is in capital letters, small letters. Position of character H in S3 is 2. Position of character A after position 1 is 3. Correct? 0, 1, 2, 3. Further the equality check says false. Equality check says true. Both strings are equal. Comparator returns 0. And as More is greater than Abhay, the value becomes -1. So how the More is greater than Abhay is simple. A and M is getting compared. So M is having the greater ASCII values than A. That's the reason it shows what you have -1. So if your S1 is less than S2, it is -1. If your S1 is greater than S2, it is +1. And if your S1 and S2 both are same, it returns the 0. So this is how the comparative works. Many other methods of string class are present. Let's try one or two extra methods right now. So I'm writing console.writeLine, a quite important method which is always required. At S1 dot I can use the method named as substring. or I use an S3 over here, so S3 dot substring. In the bracket, I will be providing the position, that is the starting index I had given as 3. What it means? Let's see the output. So the output is AY more. What is it? 0, 1, 2, 3. So from third position onward, the entire string is what being returned by the substring method. Substring comes in another form also. I can write console.writeLine s3 dot substring. I can provide the starting position as well as I can provide a length, that is nothing but the number of characters which are required by the substring. So I say 4 characters I want. Let's say the output 3 comma 4 means what? So the output will be displayed to you as AY space M. That is, from the third position, 4 characters are being returned by the method as substring. There are many methods are provided. One more important method I will be providing you, that is console.writeLine s3 dot, or you can provide directly in the square bracket the position. Suppose I am providing position as 2. What it means? That is the second position character of S3. So it will be definitely a, 0, 1, 2. So it is what? H. So these are what the various ways by which the string can be manipulated. There are many other methods are there. If you are getting confused in any methods, please write in the comments so I can help you to understand that method.